Another show from the Bishop's Outdoors, and today I'm hanging out with my goats, with our goats. Here's Clover. Really sweet boy. Looks like he's camera shy. And then we have Honey. She's not camera shy. And then we have Cookie. She, for some reason, doesn't let me pet her that much. Okay, actually she does now. Okay, I see. But of course, he's fine with it. He's fine with it. She's our other goats soon. There's one thing I wanted to show you. Power of teleportation. Or I'll call that editing. We have Knox. And we have Snickerdoodle. Okay, chirp. Snickerdoodle. Knox is mean to Snickerdoodle. Probably because he's aggressive and he wants food and attention. I know, girl. I bet you're right. I have to put the other goats away. And we have our two turkeys. I don't know if you can see them that well. We got Mama Turkey and Black Hawk. If you watch the channel a lot, you might probably know who Black Hawk is. Then we got our chickens. Open the door. Okay. One sec. Cut it up. Okay, door opened. Currently, we got 12 new chickens. Sadly, one died. These are big chickens right here. Hey, what's up, Roosty? We got these birds that keep coming in here. But here are the new chickens, the pullets. Someone tried to name her Dinner. I don't know why. Here's Toots. My second favorite. My favorite is the one someone tried to name Dinner. And then we got the other big pullets. I don't know why, but look at this bird. And it's basically almost every animal we have, but we got Moon, our oldest, I'm pretty sure, chicken. Pretty sure Hawk, and this lady. I forgot she has like one of those big chest things on her. I forgot what it's called. A tumor, maybe? Forgot. And we have this white chicken, which the rooster's obsessed with. And that one and that one are being mean to the mean ones. To the young ones. That's why they're up on the perch. Just really everything. And just like always, see you till next time. Bye.